हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल प्रियांशु प्लेसमेंट सॉल्यूशन। फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले विप्रो कोडिंग क्वेश्चन ओके फॉर 2022 बैच। ओके, लेटेस्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीडियो में, तो वीडियो का एंड तक बने रहिएगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना दोस्त, साइड में बेल आइकन है उसको क्लिक करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूलिएगा। ओके, और टेलीग्राम चैनल पे नहीं हो तो टेलीग्राम चैनल पे को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, ठीक है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दी वीडियो। So friends, question is very easy in the Wipro exams, right? So let's discuss one of these questions. So friends, question first we discuss the input, then I will tell what you need to do in this question, है ना। Question name is basic energy produced, है ना, energy produced in seconds, right? So friends, you have a input that is inputs are now guys, in a input they are provide you the three inputs, right? So for example, the first input is 5, next is 3 and last is 3. Clear? Now this is your initial energy, this is your rate, okay, and this is your seconds, okay, seconds, right guys? So now guys, you need to find, let's suppose discuss the output is 533, output is 533. Clear? This is the output. Now how, sorry, not 533, it's a 51545 है ना, sorry, 515 and 45. Clear? This is the output. Now how to get this output, friends? As you can see, this is the initial energy, right? So you need to find the energy per second. So how many seconds are there? There are 3 seconds. That's why our output is 3. Clear? Now in the first second, guys, in the first second, initial energy is 5. Initial energy is 5. Now in the next second we will multiply with the rate. Now what is our rate? 3. Clear? 3 is our rate, right? So 3 multiply 5 है ना, we just multiply the previous value to rate, right? So previous value, that is initial value is 5, so 5 multiply 3 is nothing but a 15. Now this is our initial value, right? Now this is our initial value. Clear guys? 15 is now initial. And let's discuss for next second. This is for first second, right? This is for second. Now let's discuss for third second, है ना, we need to find till third second, 3 seconds, right? So for 3 seconds, this is the initial energy, right? This is the initial. Now how to find next? We just multiply with the rate. So 15 multiply rate. What is rate? Rate is 3. Clear? So we just multiply 15 into 3, we will get the 45. So this is the question, friends, you need to find, है ना। Let's discuss the another test case. Okay, there is no other test case, but friends, I will give you one example of let's suppose you have a energy like, sorry, yes. So guys, let's discuss for other input. For example, you have input that is again 5, okay, and rate is 2, and you need to find the 6 seconds. There are 6 seconds are there, right? So in these, how to find? Very easy. Initial energy is, let's change the color, yes. So guys, initial energy is 5. Clear? Then we just multiply with the rate. This is the rate. Now next energy is 10. Next is, we just multiply again and again by 2. Clear? Because our rate is 2, right? And this is initial energy. This is used for only one time, right? Not again and again. We will not use this again and again. We just use initial energy only a single time. Clear guys? Let's discuss for next first second. For in the first second there is 5 initial energy as they told. Next multiply by 2, that is 10. Third energy is, this is 2. Clear? Now third energy is 2 multiply 10 is 20, then 40, then 80. Clear? So 3, this is 4, this is 5, and 6 is 160. Clear guys? So this is the question, friends, you need to solve it question, है ना। So how to solve this question? Let's discuss, है ना। I just remove these things, है ना। Let's discuss, friends, the code, है ना। So yes, in the code I just remove this as well, है ना। So in the code, friends, you have a proper you have a initial energy, है ना। So this is, friends, functional programming. This question is asked as a functional programming, ना। Automatic function is given, you need to write only a logic, है ना। You need to write only logic, है ना, only लॉजिक, यू नीड टू राइट ओनली लॉजिक, है ना। सो लॉजिक अकेला लिखना था। देन फ्रेंड्स लेट्स डिस्कस, अब करना क्या है इसमें, लेट्स फर्स्ट वी टेक लेट सपोज इनिशियल ना। सो लेट सपोज आई इज अ वेरिएबल, आई जस्ट टेक अ आई वेरिएबल, in the I variable guys we store the initial value that is 5 for example, है ना। then rate we just store r equal to rate is 3, clear। let's discuss, you need to print, है ना, नोट समेशन वगैरह आपको क्या करना है, प्रिंट करना है, you need to print 5, 15 and 45 is the output, clear। then how to do, let's discuss again। so yes, so r is a rate, then we need to find the second is 3, clear। let's take a for loop, you need to take a for loop for I equal to 0, then I plus plus, sorry I is greater than n या फिर s, है ना, I is greater than s और then I plus plus, sorry I is less than, है ना, this is I less than, okay। so this is the for loop, let's come to the for loop, right। so in the for loop friends I take a one variable that is sum equal to 0, clear। sum equal to 0, let's discuss again। so in this first our initial energy is 5, so I just take initial in the sum, okay, clear। so in the sum value, now the sum value is 5, now the sum value is 5, clear guys। let's discuss again। so in the for loop you need to take a variable, no need to take I think, you know, so let's take try। so yes, sum equal to I, now here I just write C out or you can print, है ना। first we just print the initial value in the loop, है ना। first we print the initial value, what is our initial value, our initial value is guys print initial value is sum, I just take a sum, है ना, sum। then after print sum you can add, है ना, sum plus equal to, or you can, sorry not equal to, you can multiply, ना, sum equal to sum multiply rate, sum equal to sum multiply with rate, clear। so now what is the rate value, rate value is 3, so now sum value is 5 multiply 3, right, 5 multiply 3, 15 is stored in the sum, clear। then again loop is executed for I equal to 1, for I equal to 1 print sum, now sum is printed as a 15, then again loop is executed for I equal to 2, clear। for I equal to 2 sum is 45, so 45 is printed, clear guys। so this is the output, है ना। you can print your output as your need, है ना। if they will ask in the space separated, so you can print space separated, if they will ask you backslash n, you can print the output in form of nested lines, right friends। so this is basic your this is the question and you need to do this question, है ना, and very easy question, right, बहुत easy question था, कुछ tough नहीं था इसमें। guys if you face any problem in these question you can comment me, है ना, or you can chat me personally as well, all the links are given in the description, okay friends। so I hope ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, कुछ ज्यादा टफ नहीं है, सब लैंग्वेज में लिख लोगे आप। अगर फिर भी इशू आता तो प्लीज आस्क मी ना, पूछ लेना कमेंट में, और पर्सनली भी पूछ सकते हो, कोई इशू नहीं है, ठीक है। और टेलीग्राम पे ज्वाइन नहीं हुई तो टेलीग्राम को ज्वाइन कर लेना, क्लियर है। सो फ्रेंड्स इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। चैनल पर को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, साइड में बेल आइकन को उसको क्लिक करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलना, ताकि लेटेस्ट प्लेसमेंट मटेरियल प्लेसमेंट अपडेट आपको हमारे चैनल के थ्रू मिलता रहे। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, लेट्स मीट ऑन दी फ्रेंड्स नेक्स्ट वीडियो। ओके।